Top 5 ways to get your daily dose of olive oil. Instead of butter, use olive oil. Using olive oil in place of butter to season or sauté your vegetables is simple. Instead of butter, use olive oil to spread on your bread. We won't lie, butter really does have that wonderful, spreadable consistency. However, there's no reason you can't share the same tender, spread-wide love affair with extra virgin olive oil. Your own vegetable dressing can be made. Let's stop with the canned, preservative-laden groceries already. Nothing beats a simple vinaigrette made with a little lemon juice, a little mustard, and some extra virgin olive oil in our view. Because extra virgin olive oil is so flavorful, it creates the best finishing oil. When flecked with a robust, verdant extra virgin olive oil, pureed soups appear stunning. Grill, broil, or sauté. Instead of using butter or other oils high in saturated fat when sautéing, roasting, or cooking your meat and vegetables, use olive oil. The delicious flavor will produce outcomes that are good for your heart.